Okay, hello guys. Thank you everybody who joined today our webinar. Our webinar is dedicated for a new product version, and today my team and I will present you a new builder version, new responsive builder version, and we will show you the differences between the old one and the new builder version. We will show you all the features, how to work with a new builder version. We will explain the advantages of a new product. So I would like to introduce you my team members. Vitalia, she is a
Hi.
product owner.
Mhm.
Edita, UX designer.
Hello.
Hello, Edita. Hello, Vitalia. So we will present the new product today, and you will see what you will get in some period of time. Vitalia will share the launch flow today. You will know what you will get and how your customers will create a website with the new builder version. And now I would like to share with you a little bit of history, why we made such decision to make completely new product, big changes in engine, and why we decided to spend so much time working on this update, on this version. First of all, thank you. I would like to thank you that you are our customers and use the product and provide to your end customers site builder. Um, but and you face these issues the same time with an old builder version. The first one, as I said, I'll share why we decided to make the changes. The first one is the first one problem is related to responsive websites. At the moment, your customers need to create a responsive website and manage form modes for responsive website manually. And imagine if the customer has a lot of menu items, has a few languages, and he needs to edit every page in every mode, and it takes lots of time to create the website. And many people just stop their work in the middle and never publish the website. So this is one of the problem. Just the process is very long and quite difficult. Another thing that is related to responsive website as well is auto load option. When you have simple website, it's okay. Use auto load. Auto load means that the builder creates all versions by itself, and the customer doesn't need to think about all these versions. But if the website is a little bit bigger than the simple one, if the website has a lot of elements, it means that customer usually face the issue that he see different view inside builder and on published website. On published website, customer doesn't have ability to change anything, and he needs to make such changes inside builder to place the element, to specify the sizes, and using auto load, he doesn't have such choice. He doesn't have ability to manage his versions, the website for all devices. And the difference between builder version and online version sometimes can be quite big, and it's a big problem for end customer. And the third problem is related to the quality of published website. Uh, when we give absolute freedom for our customers, for your end customers, most of them don't know what to do with this freedom, how to create a website, how to work with elements, and how to create a beautiful, precise website. And in this case, website owners are not satisfied with the quality. The website visitors are not satisfied with the quality, and everybody is unhappy. So I mentioned, I specified three reasons why our team decided to start working on a new product to solve all these problems for your customers, to make their life easier, to simplify the creation process uh, of website, and to give ability to your end customers create more beautiful websites. If I show you the new builder version, you will see that we eliminated all these modes. There is no modes anymore for to create responsive websites. Your customer can check how the website will look like and to manage actually a little bit the view on all devices. But website builder creates all modes by itself. The difference between old builder version and a new builder version is that the new one has layouts, and builder knows all elements are placed in layouts, and the builder knows how to behave with current element on all devices and how to place this element on all devices. This is how we solve the problem. So we change a lot in this product, and I would like to pass word to Edita, our UX designer, who will explain biggest difference in between old site builder and new site builder, and she will explain how to work with a new builder version to create a beautiful, precise website. So, Edita.
Hello everyone again. Today I would like to compare our old builder version with new one and explain the most important differences between them. First of all, I will share my screen. Just a moment. So this is my screen. As you can see, in the old version, you can move elements wherever you want, but elements are unaware each of other. This approach is great for one screen size, but if you want to make website look good for more different screen sizes, you need element to know how to behave in accordance to all nearby elements, so that you wouldn't need to repeat positioning of the same elements on different screen sizes. For example, widescreen, desktop screen, tablet, and mobile version. And this is exactly what we try to do on the new builder. And as you can see, on my screen, we have the new builder. And the most important change is that now all elements are now aware of each other. Every element impacts other nearby elements, and this help a lot building responsive and beautiful looking website design on every screen. The first feature what I want to introduce is in the top, just under the main menu. You can see responsive view switcher. With its help, you can easily see how your website will look like on different screens. So, for example, this is a widescreen, desktop, tablet, mobile, and you can just see how it looks like. Another thing what I'm hiding from you is our right toolbar, and I can collapse it with this button. So this is our toolbar, and our toolbar is separated into two sections. First section is our hierarchical structure, where you can see from the web. So, for example, this is main header composition, body with its all content main, and our footer. This one, footer, about hierarchical structure. So, This is good if you want to see specific elements in your website. For example, if two elements would be the same size, and you want to select specific element and to change, for example, its background, you can just to do it this how we called tree, website tree. So you just click it, and you can see that you select element what you want, and you can just change it, for example, background, um, maybe to this one. No, maybe to this. Yes, and you can change. Oh, it's too dark. Yeah, for example. So that's why it's good, this hierarchical structure. Another thing is our toolbar bottom line, and here you can see some options, and what options you will see, it depends on what element you will select it. If it will be button, you will see button options like hover, active, link, size, etc. If it will be for example, icon, you will see I can even change our tree size. So if I select icon, I can change icon if I want it. So I can from star to home. Yes, and it appears here. Yeah, so it this changes you can see in real time. There is no a lot of dialogue menus like in our previous builder, so only changes here. Another thing what I want to say, that if you want to duplicate elements, for example, if I go back to our old builder, if I want to duplicate this element, I have copy, then paste, and it appears somewhere here. Now, in our new builder, if I want to duplicate, I just duplicate, and it appears here quickly. Yes, um, um, it's it's about duplicated. Another feature what I want to show you is our cropping picture. So if I want to crop picture, I select, for example, this picture, and some options appears on the top of picture. So this is move, edit, and crop. So I select for crop, and I can change cropping position where I want. And for example, I want to crop like this, and that's it. I crop like I wanted a picture. Um, yes. In addition, you can change spaces in layouts. Um, it will be padding and margin. Padding, it is space inside element, and margin around element. So in this layout, the blue line shows padding inside the element. So I can change the space just dragging, or I can change here in spacing options. So for example, if element don't have padding or margin, for example, this element has top margin, but if it not has, I will write here 50 top, about, yes, 50 from bottom. Yeah, and this is margin from bottom to top. And once I write here, now I don't need to write again. I just drag it and change positioning spaces around that element. Yeah. Another thing is quickly dragging, moving, move elements. For example, if I want this element appears, for example, here, I just drag it and paste it. I don't know, maybe here. Yes, and it appears here. Or I can drag it in our structure, um, in our tree. So for example, this is this element. Um, I want maybe here that will be. So this is, so I just drag it and it appears here. So I can move element in the tree and in the website. What I want to show you more is layout, horizontal and vertical. So these options will be here. So we have a horizontal layout, and in horizontal layout, elements goes.
Güzel toplantı değil mi?
Huh?
Sorry.
Yes, so I can change, for example, from horizontal to vertical, and you can see now elements goes in a vertical position, one after the other, in vertical sequence, or just like that. So maybe that's all for some features what we did, and now maybe next Vitaly is going to represent about our new builder launching flow.
Hi everybody. Thanks to Tanya and Edita for explanation. I'm Vitalia, a product owner at Site.pro, and I will try to tell you briefly about the new builders launching flow. Also, I want to say that we are very glad to see all of you here. This quarantine period is very good time to have a closer communication with our clients. We are very happy about this. So let's get back on track. This week, we are still fixing some bugs, templates. Also, we are dealing with UX, UI key moments on the right toolbar. Edita showed you. And talking about UX, UI key moments, we are fixing that moments which were somewhat of headache in the previous Absolute Builder. In the upcoming week, we are planning to launch the new builder for all of our clients with the Cloud Builder X Premium. Also, we will work on preparing the smoothest new builders launching flow for clients with on-premises builder X Enterprise. It takes much more time to launch it for clients with on-premises builder because of many technical challenges. We should solve the main task, which is how should we deal with maintaining previous and new builder versions on client's environment, on client servers. So approximate new builders launch for both cloud and on-premises builder clients will be finished in the middle of May. Cloud Builder clients will get a new version immediately. while on-premises builder clients should renew their builder version to the newest one. They will get a notification on in their brand on the license page. I can imagine that you're probably asking how it will impact your end customers who are using current Absolute Builder. So I will start sharing my screen to show you some dialogues. Do you see my screen? Okay, perfect. All users who log in to the builder will get a notification that there is a new builder version available with a possibility to delay it. It means remind it later. So they will keep getting such notification every time they refreshes the builder. It means that if I press save draft or switch to another menu item, I will get this notification. By pressing switch to new builder button, created websites will be converted to the new builder layout automatically. Some inaccuracies may appear. It's normal. So each customer should fix it manually. They will be informed about that. But do not worry, we have left a possibility to get back to previous builder version. It could be found on backup restore section, restore tab. So it will be after restore this browse field. It will appear on the bottom. I'm not sure for how long it will be available, but we will keep it for a while until you settle all things related with the new builder on your end. So if the customer chooses to do so, get back to the old builder version, they will be again notified that all the changes made in the new builder version will be lost. And they should press, for example, sorry, I will show you again. They should check that they got what that information will be lost. So also in the new builder version, we have updated all danger dialogues such as reset, change template pop-ups, and as I said, added an additional checkbox. This, I press switch, and you should press checkbox, got it, to reduce the possibility of information loss. It will make you stop and think again before switching that red danger button. I also expect that it will reduce support tickets with such issues for both sides, for us and for our hosting clients. And I wish they had such notification dialogue in Chernobyl before pressing that red button. It's talking about UX key moments. Also, I have a good news about website import. The import functionality will be of better quality in the new builder version. Previously, auto layout, this function, caused a lot of issues with websites' visual structure. With the new builder, we are aiming to eliminate this issue. So it will be better quality on preview mode. And that's all I wanted to share with you today. And now I pass the word to Tanya.
Okay, thank you, Natalia, for such great presentation. Thank you to Edita for such great presentation and for the explanation, talking about differences between builders, between old and new one. And now I hope our customers have better understanding of what they'll get with a new builder version. Hope that we were able to explain that the new one is really easier, more convenient, and actually it's a great, our great job will be will become popular among our customers. And I would like to introduce that today we have two guests. And the first one, Alexander Khmyl from Belarus, from hosting company, Belarusian hosting company. They use our product for a while, and I would like to ask you to share your feedback, your expectations, your feedback working with current version, and what do you think about the new one? Can you answer?
Hi guys, yeah, thank you very much for this presentation. It was quite interesting to hear and to meet these new features. And yeah, as Tatiana already told, I represent the Belarusian hosting provider, hostfly.by, and we've been using Site Builder from Site.pro for a while. Yeah, we've been using it for like a year and a half, and during this time we were facing to it's quite good product, yeah, and it satisfies our needs entirely if to speak about us as a hosting provider. But at the same time there was a number of issues with customers, you know, with the quality of Site Builder for customers. And during our experience for these 1.5 year, the most frequent issue which rise from time to time was dedicated to the responsive design and to the fact that people the layout tool was working not correctly, doesn't work correctly, and they were forced to work with 4 different versions of website. Literally, I have this question like 2 days ago. New customer came from context ads, yeah, from Google. We are promoting actively our site builder as well, based on Site.pro. And a new customer, that was his question: how can I make those proper changes, not to change it all the time for every page, you know, 4 times. The one is for mobile version, another one is for desktop, and like that. So we are facing to this issue all the time, and I'm very, very glad to hear that you finally bear with it and finally fights this issue. And I hope that it would reinforce and it would improve the quality of Site Builder properly. So I'm really happy. And another thing I would like to point at is regarding your new interface. I'm speaking about this, if it's possible to say so, developer tool, yeah, on the right column of the screen. I think that this thing helps end user um, make the process of creating website easier, because I'm from time to time I'm helping our customers with some issues within the site builder, and I saw with my own eyes that it's not sometimes very easy to go deep and deep into those links, trying to find the properties of a page or properties of the images and stuff like that. And it would be very, very helpful if to have it right on the screen, yeah, from the right. So I think that this is quite a good feature, and that's cool that you have added it. Uh, Actually, that's it. What I would like to tell you regarding this presentation. So, thanks a lot,
Ah, thank you very
Tanya.
much. Yes, thank you very much. Actually, it was very interesting to share, to hear a real opinion from real customer about our changes and about the potential of the product. And now we have another guest that I would like to introduce. Burkay is our partner in Turkey. Uh, he is the founder of cloudglobal.com. And I would like to ask to share your feedback, your opinion, and do you think the new product will have the potentiality to grow and to become popular among customers?
Hello, everyone.
Oh.
Actually, I have been in hosting industry for almost 12 years. I started at Reseller Club and worked for some hosting giant in Turkey as a marketing manager. And for a long time, we have been using Site.pro solutions. Actually, me myself hasn't have any hosting company. Now we have a consultancy company which is giving services to hosting companies. We offer new products. We develop their product strategy. So the Site.pro is the number one solutions in the market, apparently, Turkish market. Uh, I think that maybe more than 15 or more companies using the Site.pro solutions around the markets. Uh, of course, thanks to Philip, he is very good leader. He's in every country, so he was in Turkey as well for previous years. Actually, I am also user of this product, and now currently, for one of my customer team, developing new themes for the product. They try to just add up some Site.pro templates into the Turkish, and it's very good to have a feature like import from websites. So for them, it's very easy to create any kind of new templates via these features. And there was some missing points on the now still there's some missing points on the old panel. According to their feedback to me, it's not easy to use some toolbars. Sometimes they are not able to easily find the features they look for. And as I see now on the right side, you develop a new toolbar, and it seems there are many new features on it. And the best part of it, that now you created so many shortcuts. Sometimes you showed us it was very hard to copy paste something. Now I see that duplicate buttons and some kind of different shortcuts. So it's going to make very easy the SME's job, because since they don't have the technical knowledge, sometimes it could be very hard for them to even copy paste. So more shortcuts is good, and also some new, as I understand, some kind of new other features on the interface. It's going to be very helpful for us. It's very nice. And also, uh, I just have one demand. My team gives me a feedback. It sometimes could be hard to find the logo. I don't know whether you have any kind of logo gallery or any plan to create a logo creator maybe inside the Site.pro. This could be very helpful if you maybe your product developers could think about this to create a logo creator inside the product, because when our customers says us they need to find a logo, they go to another website for free or paid solutions. It could be very nice to put this feature as well. Maybe you have, I didn't check it with my team for now.
Um, I'm not sure if we have at the moment such functionality in our roadmap, but anyway, after your words, we for sure will today discuss the possibility to create such logo creator. I can't promise anything at the moment because actually we have our product owner, we have our development team, we have our own strategy. But anyway, thank you for the idea, and anyway, we will discuss it and inform you personally.
Yeah, yeah, we always support the Site.pro. We are the fan of it, and thank you to all the product team and developer team. It seems that you made a brilliant job. Of course, we will test it and give a feedback to you again.
Okay, thank you, Berkay, very much.
Yeah,
Thank you very much for participation, for
yeah,
joining this webinar, and thank you very much for your opinion. Our
yeah.
team were really glad to see you.
Thank you.
I would like to ask maybe our CEO would like to share some feedback, to
Uh,
say a few words.
Also, hi Burkai. About logo, I was in 99 Design office in about maybe 5 years ago or something. In 99 Design, it's I can type to everyone. It's like it was number one. It was number one like web designers like freelance platform where people can order a design or order a logo, and about 20 designers offer them the, as example, logo, and you pay only for the best. And I also talked with them about I talked to them about integration, so they really was interested. So we can possibly, maybe Vitalia can push to backlog and contact me, and we will together contact this team 99 Design and also CEO, CFO, CTO, so we can talk to them today as well. So maybe just possibly integrate a simple icon, so or a simple affiliate link or something like that, so they can get some traffic from us. Yeah, and also we really everyone put attention to the product and everyone put huge input. So yesterday we, as example, 6 people thinking about the interface. For example, Edita, Vitalia, Alexander, also designer, also marketing team. So just to change the several buttons. As example, we also study the Wix interface, and we just registered to the Wix, saw the interface, and my team said that we can provide much better interface. So the idea to provide interface where people can make professional product, but with interface much easier than Word or something like that. So our idea was earlier to copy PowerPoint, not the copy, but it was like our uh, um, design and interface example. So PowerPoint was a good example for us, but PowerPoint still not responsive, and we need somebody else to, I don't know, to see, to learn from him, and we unable to find. So really new interfaces, I think it's really awesome, and I think that many competitors will copy many features from us as they did it earlier. And about maybe 4 years ago, we produced some features first in the market. So Wix also copied from us some interfaces. And I think when we start this product, I think in about 6 or 12 or 20 months, you will see the same interface in Wix as it will copy from us. So believe me, good interface, it's a good idea, and the good idea also spread very fast. So you will see best interface paths. Wix and other players will copy from us. I guarantee you, you will see. But thank you for participating. See you also next week on our next webinar, and also we will join your webinar as well. So.
Okay, thank you, Philip, very much for your words. I would like to ask you about questions. I would like to ask our guests, because I see that we have many guests here. Do you have any questions? I already saw the question about the video recording and about possibility to post this video on social media. Yes, we will have the record. We will post it tomorrow on social media, so you will be able to check this, to see this webinar one more time, or maybe many times. So we will have. I saw one more question before we switch just to Zoom about drop-down menu. Will we have? But I'm not sure that I understand the question. Fully understand the question. Will we have the drop-down menu or not? Maybe our product owner could explain about our plan because Vitalia knows more about the roadmap. Just a minute. Um, yeah, Vitalia.
Okay, where can I find this question? Sorry.
It was a question in YouTube channel, but
Mm.
the guest asked if we will be able to add a drop down menu to Site Builder.
As far as I'm concerned, this is already added in our roadmap. So we will add this request of this particular customer to this roadmap card to inform him personally when it will appear in the website builder.
Okay, thank you. Will somebody else somebody else would like to know something else about our current builder version, about the new one? Do you have more questions? Because we are happy to answer it, and of course to see you here and would like to answer. And don't forget that if you ask and if you provide some ideas, some feedback at the moment, for sure we will discuss with our team, and you will be able to participate in development process and make it the product better. Actually, talking about, I got the question from Philip, and Vitalia probably will help to answer me to this question, because we're planning together all these webinars and subjects. We are planning to make webinars every week, and we are planning to talk about our current updates, the most important updates, and we are launching blogs. We'll have a webinar for new functionality. About new functionality, we will have the webinar also about comparison between builders, which builders we will describe builders in the market. We will explain why we are different from them, why should you select and continue to work with Site.pro. So we have actually many subjects, and we will inform our customers in newsletter on social media about next subjects. We're planning to leave the same time for all our webinars. We'll make them on Tuesday the same time, so wait for our news. The link should be the same every week, and you will be able to join a webinar using the same link and hear about other updates in Site Builder and market overview. So we will ask more people to participate, our partners to participate. You will see famous companies during our webinars, and we'll be able to ask interesting questions. So this is the main information. Next Tuesday, the same time, will be the next webinar.
And also, Burkai, we're planning, maybe we do our best maybe to join some big world players, and also you're also always welcome as Novap and as Alexander would like to talk, like as Tanya said, about market overview, about numbers, about how other builders, which numbers they have, which strategies they have, maybe collect maybe international hosting companies who just like to ask if they want. So we will plan maybe on webinars a little bit more. So the idea to exchange ideas between them, what they're doing this week, watch their plans. For example, connect people from US, from Russia, maybe from you as well, from Turkey, maybe from Africa, from UK, just to talk. What is the difference? Maybe some trends. Maybe we can copy strategies from different markets and something. So like a lot of involving. So maybe 1 year ago, if you ask for the very serious people to join, they're always busy, they're always traveling, they're always blah blah. Now everybody use computer, so traveling they can go back and go forward. It's all their space. So, so we will do a lot of things, and we will discuss with you directly. Like let's connect serious people to our events and do our best. Thank you for joining, and Alexander as well, and everybody here.
Rodolphe, I see your comments. Thank you for the great job. Thank you to all our team, and we're happy to see such wonderful comments and such wonderful opinion about our new builder version. We will do our best to make best improvements in the world, in the market, and we'll do our best to make the best product for your customers. So thank you everybody for joining, for participation, and see you next week.